Hello everyone. Today I am going to present one of the most important topic on environment, that is importance of renewable and alternative energy resource. So first of all, energy resource basically are two types. One is non-renewable energy resource, another is renewable energy resource. What are the non-renewable energy resource? Basically, they cannot be replaced after they are used, or can be replaced only over thousand or millions of years. So example, all are fossil fuel like petrol, coal, diesel, kerosene, nuclear energy, etc., etc. And renewable energy resource means it will be recycled, means a natural resource that can be renewed or recycled after a short period of time. As example, the most famous example is solar energy, wind energy, after that biomass energy, geothermal energy, hydroelectric energy, etc. Okay, so now renewable and alternative energy resources are essential for a sustainable future. So it is very important for our world as well as for next generation. So why it is important? Now these are point I have mentioned here. Number one, that is environmental protection. So here actually reduce greenhouse gas emission. As we know, greenhouse gas are generated by fossil fuel like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and methane. All these are water vapor. These are the greenhouse gases. So we have to reduce this harmful emissions. Then combat climate change. That means switching to renewable energy helps mitigate global warming. That means reduce that climate change, that lessen the effect of climate changing. Okay, so next one is preserve natural ecosystem. That means that we can, if we use actually renewable energy, that that time do not require extensive mining or drilling. That means that protect our ecosystem. That is not possible for non-renewable energy like fossil fuel energy resource. So next one is uh, energy security. That means diversifies energy supply. So basically local energy resource, actually by local energy resource, different countries can reduce dependence on importance of imported fuels. So it is very good for each and every country. Okay, so next one is reduces geopolitical conflicts. That means any kind of border areas. So that is conflict area. So that areas is reducing dependence on that oil or gas. Okay, from political unstable region, and enhance national security. So next one is economic benefit. It is very important point because we implement that alternative energy resource for next generation. So job creation is day by day increases. So renewable energy sector actually creates more jobs per unit of electricity. Okay, and as well as growth of economy. So that invest of renewable energy benefits local communities through infrastructure development and maintenance and all these things. And also this stable prices, I mean that renewable energy prices always less than that your uh, fossil fuel energy, I mean non-renewable energy resources. Okay, so next one is sustainability. Unlimited supply. This is very, very, very important because sunlight, wind, water naturally occurring. So this is endless, never ending, uh, which is not able to by that non-renewable energy sources, means that fossil fuel. So this is very sustainable, long-term viability also for future purpose, future generation also. And public health, it is very clear that uh, clean if we implement these things, that will be very much effective for our health, because no pollution, no water pollution, air pollution and soil pollution due to that renewable energy resource, which is actually polluted by non-renewable energy. So by different type of gases or different types of byproducts, it is not possible, not it is not we can so which is not for renewable energy resource, that we can reduce that health issue, just like asthma, cancer, heart disease and so many disease also. So lower healthcare cost also. Okay, so now the last one is technological innovation. So that encourage research and development on the basis of that renewable energy resource, that will be more and more uh, important. Important technological innovation is very, very important regarding this. And and day by day it will be it will be more effective for us. Okay, so that means the growth of renewable drives innovation in energy storage, smart grid, and energy efficiency. And last one is boosts global competitiveness. That is, countries leading in renewable technologies gain an edge in the global market. Okay, so these are the main benefit why it is important non sorry renewable energy or alternative energy resource is very much essential for our next future generation. Okay, so these are the example solar example of renewable energy and alternative energy resources. That is solar energy, very important renewable energy resource, can be converted to electrical energy to photovoltaic cell. Wind energy, that is used in windmills, used wind turbine to convert kinetic energy into electrical energy by rotating generator. Hydroelectric energy, electricity produced by falling water, okay, and recycled through that water cycle. So all these uh, sources are never ending. Okay, and last one is some example of renewable energy is geothermal energy and biogas. Geothermal, basically groundwater that shifts into hot spots near the surface of the earth, can form geyser. Okay, so and that used in superheater, binary cycle power plants used to generate energy and heat. And last one is biogas. Biogas, as we know, so different kind of plant waste, animal waste, garbage waste, that um, different type of waste forms actually bond in a plant to produce a mixture of different gases. That gases may be methane. Basically, methane is maximum amount, and the water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases also involved in that biogases. So these are the and another renewable energy resource. So, so lastly, I want to mention here what are the advantage of renewable energy resource. This is almost limitless resource of energy, and very important thing is that it is not polluted to our environment, means it is eco-friendly. Okay, this is the main fundamental thing. Yeah, some of disadvantage also is there. So because initially setup is expensive, and sometimes it is depends on nature, because rainy day sunlight is not able to fall onto that plates. That is a problem. And dams disruption, some problem is there. Wind also cannot generate always, but still it is very important energy resource for our next future. Okay, so but scientists are thinking about that in future for alternative energy sources, resources. Hydrogen, only hydrogen power, hydrogen energy. Actually, that hydrogen can be generated through water. I mean, if we hydrolysis that water, oxygen on and water can be produced, that hydrogen energy also have a bigger role for that alternative energy resource. Okay, so that's all for today session. Thank you.